Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Maitri's Kitchen. So today recipe is a simple weekend special, which is our cabbage pakoda. The main ingredients to do our cabbage pakoda is I have kept our cabbage, which is cut into a long pieces, along with you can either add red chili or green chili. I have taken red chili, fennel seeds, one onion. I have taken half cabbage for one small onion, followed with curry leaves, asafoetida, chopped ginger, chili powder. Rice flour will be 1 cup, followed with besan flour, which is 1/4 cup. So this is the main measurement for doing our cabbage pakoda. So let us see how do we do our yummy crispy tea time snack, which is our cabbage pakoda for the day. I've taken the cabbage in a wider bowl. So in that I'm going to add all the said ingredients. I'm just adding the curry leaves, followed with red chili. You can add as per the spice level. The fennel seeds, the onions, asafoetida, and our chopped ginger. So we are adding everything into it. Mix it well. We should not add water at all. Cabbage itself is a water content vegetable. So let us see what is next. So let us keep this aside. Before keeping, let me add chili powder as well. Just adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder. As said, you can add if needed. If you wanted to have it more spicy, you can add 1 more spoon of chili powder. Yes, so keep this aside and let us see what is our next step. Friends, the next step is I have taken a wider bowl. So in this I have added the besan flour as per the measurement set, along with our rice flour. With this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of heated oil, refined oil. Be careful while adding it. Yes, so we have added it. Mix it well with a spatula or with a spoon. After we mix this well, this has to be added to our cabbage, or cabbage can be added to it. The heated oil is getting added so that the pakoda is soft and crispy. It doesn't become soggy, it has to be soft and crispy. So friends, we have added it nicely. So you can find there are no lumps formed because we added our hot oil into it. Refined oil is preferable, or if you want to add ginger oil, you can also do with it. Now at this stage I'm going to add our cabbage mix into it, which is already mixed with the required amount of chili powder, everything. We need to mix this well. Only salt to be added. I'm just adding the salt now. Required amount of salt, as we have not added salt at all. Yes. So as said, the cabbage is actually a water content vegetable, so no need to add water at all. We just need to mix it well with the dough, and it will have a little thick consistency. You should ensure the consistency is thick, not watery, otherwise it will consume more oil and the taste will not be nice. So let us mix it well. You can use your hand if you are not comfortable with the spatula. We have heated the oil, so you can put it small by small. You can use your hand. And our cabbage pakoda will come out very crispy and crunchy because we have added the heated oil into it. That makes the whole dish very crispy. Yes, the smell itself is awesome. Let us wait, let it get fried, then we will flip it the other side. So you can find our pakoda has come out very well. It's fried very nicely. We have not even added any colors. Still it's come out very well. So the first set of pakoda is ready. So let me add the second set of mix into it. So friends, here goes our tasty, crispy, simple cabbage pakoda for the day. So please do try this tea time snack and do serve for your lovable family. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.